Interrupted by the Mfc80u Unicode DLL pop-up, I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll show you the professional recovery for your system packages. To start fixing Mfc80 Unicode manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This DLL file is the Unicode implementation of the Mfc80 library. It allows software developed in 2005 to correctly handle non-Latin characters and international date and time formats within its user interface windows. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. I found that reinstalling Microsoft Visual C++ is the most consistent way to clear this error. Download the official Visual C++ installers for x86 and x64 from Microsoft and run them to refresh the library. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Mfc80 Unicode file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for the Mfc80 Unicode DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for the Mfc80 Unicode. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing the Mfc80 Unicode was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.